Hi, I'm Aron from 2H Media, and in this video, I want to talk about how to troubleshoot low sales. We talk to a lot of business owners that are at very different places in their business. Some of them are doing really well and just want to refine things. But more often than not, we talk to business owners that aren't getting the sales they want, aren't happy with their existing marketing efforts, and just want to know how to move forward to grow and thrive in their business. So where do we look when we're troubleshooting sales? Well, first we look at the traffic. How many customers are actually reaching your website? If there aren't very many people seeing your website, then your marketing efforts probably need a lot of work. There's a very common misconception among business owners, especially in the e-commerce space, that if you build it, they will come. It's important to remember that your website doesn't have a physical storefront and you're not going to get random walk-through traffic. And organic traffic has become harder and harder to capture as more businesses enter the space and search engines prioritize ad traffic more and more heavily. So okay, we look at the traffic, maybe the traffic's fine. The next place we're going to look is your conversion funnel. And your conversion mechanism could have a ton of moving parts. Typically, your website is an entry point, but we often also see businesses relying on emails, phone calls, and meetings to get clients past the finish line. If there are problems anywhere in this process, you're not going to convert leads into customers, and your sales figures are going to suffer. So okay, if you're getting leads and your conversion funnel looks like it should be working, there's one place left we can look. A lot of businesses have great products and services that they're trying to sell to the wrong audience, or they've overpriced them or underpriced them for their industry. If all else looks like it should be working, then going back to these core business concepts can be critical. You might need to build out new user personas, a customer journey map, or refine your value proposition. What troubleshooting your sales comes down to is making sure you've got the right market fit, great marketing activities, and a conversion mechanism that's capable of turning leads into customers. Nail those three things, and there's no reason your business shouldn't thrive and grow. If that sounds like a lot to tackle on your own, we'd love to have a conversation with you. I encourage you to book a strategy call with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forward with confidence and clarity. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy session. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.